I use merchant words all the time for making money on Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way of choosing a new niche for Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make money on Amazon right here in Australia, or indeed right around the world, consider giving this video a thumbs up, and that way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions or comments, you know where to do and leave those too. With that being said, let's get into it. And you can just use the classic search on merchant words to go search for something there. So gift for men, and then see what comes back there, and then see what the niches within that top level niche actually are. And maybe there's something there for you to get some ideas about as well. So here you've got 50th birthday gifts for men. Well, that gets a significant amount of search volume. Blah, 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 unusual gifts for men. And of course, each of those things, each of those search terms ought to then lead to a specific kind of thing that is appropriate, that is the most appropriate thing for a 50th birthday gift for men. Vasectomy, for instance, would be an appropriate 50th birthday gift, if you hadn't known already. So, not sure if they're available on Amazon. But so that gives you some ideas as well, okay? So, and I like using that. It's a really easy way of getting some, at least the beginnings of an idea about where to go looking for things, okay? If you're not using merchant words, and you haven't really thought about it, you might want to consider using it. It's super easy. We get a great deal on it. merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, all one word. Coupon code AOE, like that. Okay, so and you'll get a good deal on that. So that's a really good way of starting out. And that gives you some ideas. But then you've got to be thinking, okay, well, now I've got that. Now I need some ideas about what the hell to sell. Okay, so now I know that 50th birthday gift, whatever we're going to go for. Let's do something different. Unusual gifts for men. There you go. That's an unusual search term in and of itself. Now I see that, and now I'm interested in that. Let's go and get some ideas for products to sell. Let's go there. So where do you do that? Well, there's lots and lots of opportunities to do that. A super easy place to start, though, is on Etsy. So again, here, look, the graph search here, same thing. So on Etsy, well, gifts for her is our #1 search term. Gifts for him, second search term. Very similar. That tells us a lot about buying psychology. Also tells us a lot about the way that people search for things and our sophistication now when it comes for searching for things. We've all been trained to search for things properly. Anyway, so let's just type in now our thing that we're interested in, which is unusual gifts for men. Well, what the hell comes back from that? Let's go take a look what Etsy provides for us for that. And of course, this is just one of heaps of different ways that you can look for product ideas. Everybody that's going through my product picking mastery program at the minute will be getting a virtual plethora of different ideas. Anyway, so now you've got some good ideas coming up. These are very unusual gifts. So you can now start thinking to yourself, oh, these are kind of cool, these are kind of unusual. Now that gives you lots and lots of potential ideas for gifts. Okay, covered a lot of ground already. Hello there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the largest community of Amazon entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Over 2,500 members and growing with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own money-making business on Amazon, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I'll see you in there.